Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up indicators on your Tradingview charts. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged into the browser version. It is pretty much the same for the mobile version as well. And I am currently viewing the Ethereum versus the US dollar chart. I am also using the Pepperstone broker, so that is something to note. However, you do not need a broker to set up an indicator. And yeah, let's get right into it. Indicators serve a variety of purposes. Each of them serves a purpose for itself, and you can use them to project any market trajectories, risks, volatility, and so on and so forth. And they are a very useful tool. If you are using TradingView for free, the free version only allows you to have up to 3 indicators per chart, and it limits you in a lot of different ways. However, for this tutorial, the most important thing to note is only 3 indicators per chart. Now, what you want to do once you're in a chart of your choice is you want to click on the indicators button. Once you are here, then you can browse any indicators which you like. You can set up your own by creating some in PineScript, or you can go and search whether through technicals, or yeah, pretty much technicals and community scripts. In technicals is where you can find indicators, and here you can just go through all of these and add whichever indicator you would like. Let's say, for example, I want a price oscillator. Just click on it and it will be added. Now it should have appeared up in the top left. For some reason it didn't. However, as you can see, the price oscillator is in the bottom of my screen now. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.